Yeah, this is not, I feel that I want to give you another one more exercise. Okay, exercise lah, even though it's just, just like example, okay? Page 1 to 8. So exercise 7.5, alright. So I read the question here. A manufacturer of salad dressing uses machine to dispense a liquid ingredient into bottles that move along a filling line. Then the machine that dispenses dressing is working properly when 8 ounces are dispensed. Okay, actually, this is okay. Maybe okay. I continue reading. I continue reading first. Okay, then the standard deviation of the process is 0.5 ounce. Periodically, a sample of 50 bottles is randomly selected and the average amount dispensed is 7.983 ounce. By examining the p-value, okay, so the question asks you to do a p-value. Is there evidence that the average amount for this machine is different from 8 ounce? Okay, class, right. So you have the 8 ounce here, and then you have what else? You have the standard deviation 0.15, you have 50 bottles, and then you have another value here, 7.983 ounce, and then the alpha given here is 0.05. Okay, class. So 8 ounce here is the mean. Okay, this 8 ounce is the mean. Alright, mean exactly 8 ounce. Okay, right. Then what is a 0.15 here? 0.15 here is a standard deviation, but this is standard deviation for population, which is sigma, because you can read or you refer the question. This information of sigma or standard deviation is given before the word of random, what we call the random sample. So means that this value is referring to population, not for sample. Okay, so therefore the symbol that we use is sigma, not S. Okay, then what this is a sample size, which is 50, and this is the mean. Okay, this is the sample mean. Okay, this is sample mean because the value here is given after the word of sample. And then, okay, so is there evidence that the average amount for this machine is different? So this is mu. Okay, so therefore, okay, step number 1. So your H0 is exactly 8. And your H1 is not equal to 8. Okay, it's not equal to 8. Okay, because it's different. Means that different is not equal to 8. Okay, step number 2, find out the test statistic. So Z equal to X minus mu sigma over Z and sigma. So X bar is 7.983 minus 8, sigma is 1.15 over Z 50. So you will get what? Okay, I just write the question. The answer here is negative 0.809. Okay, step number 3, p value. What is your p value here? Okay, probability Z. Okay, what is this? Greater than or less than? Okay, you need to refer back to the table here. Okay, in your slide. Okay, so you can means that this is a two-sided tail. So means that it will be considered the last one, which is Z less than Z, or okay, less than negative Z, or P Z greater than Z. So class, the word or here not means that you do it either one. No, bukan bermaksud you kena buat salah satu, bukan. Or here means plus. Okay, probability in. Okay, if you need to recall back lah. Okay, you have or, you have and, which is you have the intersection and union. So when it's come to or, so O here means plus. Okay, O here means plus. So you need to find this one first. So P Z less than negative 0. Okay, I think. Okay, so yeah, I mean is this negative Z is not to, bukan redundant lah. Jangan tulis sini and then for example lah, this one is negative, right? But your Z also negative, nanti you buat positive. No, bukan. This means that on the left hand side is a negative value. So you just take it all this value lah. So it will be Z less than negative 0.809. 0.8019 and then plus with the z greater than, okay, you just take it, the value, but now we consider as a positive value. So 0.8019. So this negative is represent negative side and this point is represent as positive side, okay? Alright, so this one you can find by from your table, okay? From the table, okay, maybe on the previous video I didn't show you how to find, maybe because I worried that you confusing which one. Okay, actually this one is standard normal table yang kita selalu buat, but now we find it on the, okay, we will find it inside here lah. Here 0.8. So where is it? Okay, wait, I just want to figure out where is it. Negative. Okay, negative 0.8. Negative 0.80. Okay, class. Okay, for this one, z less than this again. It's not equal like we find this one. Tak sama macam kita cari yang ni. For this one, what we do is we find inside the table. We find this one. Kita cari yang dalam ni. And then we get the answer here, z. But now, this is the z value. Okay, this is the z value. So therefore, you need to find on this column z. Tak nampak. You need to find this. You need to find here. For example, here, negative 0.8019. Okay, so maybe you just round off negative 0.80. Okay, negative 0.80. So negative 0.80. So you find here negative 0.80. So the answer will be 0.2119. Okay, and then plus. So you do the same thing. Okay, but class, this is a greater than. Therefore, you need to 1 minus. You need to 1 minus it. Okay, you need to do it 1 minus. Okay, 1 minus, okay, this one is positive. Okay, 0.8. Where is 0.8? 0.8 is here. So, 0.7881. Okay, alright, so you solve it, you will get 0.4238. Alright, okay, so make sure you clear on the z alpha here, which is the previous method. We need to find inside the table. We need to find yang banyak-banyak ni. Okay, kita banyak-banyak ni and then kita dapatkan z tepi ni. But now for p value, we find this column, the outside one, to get the value inside. Okay, so they have two different ways or two different approach. Okay, so step number 4 here. So you need to check whether your p value is less than alpha or not. So your p value is 0.4238. How about your alpha? Your alpha is 0.05. So 0.423 is greater, is it? Greater. 0.4. This one is 0.05. So it's greater than. Therefore, you need to accept H naught. Okay. Since it's greater than, so this means that you need to accept your H naught. So step number 5, you make it the conclusion because the claim is what we call. Okay, so the claim here. So no, there is no evidence. Okay, no, there is no evidence. Okay, so you need to make it a conclusion. Okay, alright class. So yeah, that's all. Okay, so we are finished. Chapter 7 totally because I'm just worried if I didn't give you this example. I worried that you didn't know how to answer if you get two-sided, whereas nanti you confuse what's mean by or. So or here is mean that you need to find both, not either one. You need to find both and then you add. Okay, add both, tambah dulu ni. So then you get the answer lah. Okay class, so that's all. Thank you.